Well, hello. Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. If you are already chat family with me, welcome back. Happy Kwanzaa to everyone. You all, today is day 4, or the 4th principle, known as Ujamaa. Today is Tuesday, December 29th, 2020. And without further ado, we're gonna keep going strong with this lovely segment, learning more information about Kwanzaa and its 7 principles. So Kwanzaa's 4th principle is known as Ujamaa. This year, again, it is celebrated on Tuesday, December 29th, 2020. And this is a commitment to the practice of shared social wealth and the work necessary to achieve it. It grows out of the fundamental communal concept that social wealth belongs to the masses of people who created it, and that no one should have such an unequal amount of wealth that it gives him or her the capacity to impose unequal, exploitative, or oppressive relations on others. In general, sharing wealth is another form of communal exchange, sharing and cooperating. But it is also essential because without the principle and practice of shared wealth, the social conditions for exploitation, oppression, and inequality, as well as deprivation and suffering, are thereby increased. Ujamaa also stresses self-reliance in the building, strengthening, and controlling of the economics within our own communities. The assumption here is that we must seize and maintain the initiative in all that is ours, and that we must harness our resources and put them to the best possible use in the service of our community. Ujamaa. To build our own businesses, control the economics of our own community, and share in all its work and wealth. You all, I'm Pandi of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. Again, this is day 4 of Kwanzaa, and I just shared a little snippet about the 4th principle of Kwanzaa. If you all are enjoying this segment, please, if you did not do so on your way coming in, make sure you remember to blow dry on my like button for me. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you're really enjoying the content on the channel, please make sure that you subscribe. What are you waiting for? It is free 99 after all. It doesn't cost you anything. And make sure you double tap that notification bell so that you are notified each and every time new content is uploaded to the channel. Until next time, guys, stay safe out there, stay encouraged, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.